Hi friends, welcome to the special session today. What is this special session about? JAIIB RBWM last 75 days, scoring topics and quick revision plan. Last 75 days means we were just now saying that we have 6 months. Now only 75 days means hardly 2.5 months. Time passes so fast, right? Similarly, these 75 days will also pass. You have Diwali, you have various September ending in between. You have Diwali in between. Lot and lot means time flies like anything. So that's why you start your studies from today only. We have started a new Elevate batch. Join that immediately. Join the Elevate batch. Okay. What are the scoring topics and what are the quick revision plans? See, scoring topics, because here all the topics are not that scoring. Okay, scoring means you'll have numericals. You'll have this time May 25 they had asked lot of numericals. So I'll focus only on those scoring topics today. Okay, I'll show you the whole portion, but I'll focus only on those scoring topics. Module A, you have retail banking, intro, retail role within the banking operations, retail versus corporate, and branch profitability. Now, which is the scoring topic in this module A? What should we study? What should be a study pattern? So remember, here it is. See, these three topics are having theory. These three are having theory, totally theory. But this topic is having numericals, very tough. And this is asked for around 10 to 12 marks, 8 to 10 at least. 8 to 10 marks are there. So 10 marks. Because you have over here numericals related to ROA, return on asset, ROE, return on equity, leverage ratio. Then you have NII, net interest income. Then you have NIM. In this single chapter itself, all these numericals are there in this chapter, branch profitability. That's why this chapter is the most scoring chapter in module A. Okay, you have to focus on this because the numericals, the objective questions, the theory, everything is tough in this. Remaining all are theory types. So these you can study. This is not that difficult. I've taken the detailed this session on what all are the subjects. But today I'll focus only on the main heroes. This is the hero. Okay? In module A. Now module B. Customer requirements, product development process, credit scoring, important retail liability products, retail asset products, credit card and debit card, remittance products, digitization of banking products, role of AI and technology, recovery of retail assets, MIS, and securitization. Here you have many scoring topics and you have to focus on many topics. Mainly all are theory only. Only one has numericals. Credit card has a numerical and the CRM is in the next module. So credit card has numericals. But see, this has numerical. Case study it is there. Okay. But which are the important ones? There are no numericals. It doesn't mean they are not scoring or they are not important. All are important, but the most important heroes over here are, firstly, you will be having the questions on credit scoring, CIBIL, because this is the talk of the town now. CIBIL, all the four companies, CRIF, Highmark, Equifax, Experian, all these. So you'll have around 6 to 7 marks from this. 7 marks. Okay. Then next will be remittance product, credit card and debit card. There will be one numerical on this, definitely. So you have to focus on this. Remittance products, it's okay. The additional, the Bharat Pay and Bill Pay system, that will be asked in exam. Bharat Pay, that will be definitely asked in exam. Okay, Bharat Pay. That will be definitely asked in exam. Then these two topics are important. This AI. AI topic is very important. AI and technology. You will have a lot of questions on this because that is the future now. Everywhere you are seeing AI, 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 right? So AI will be definitely asked over here. This will be asked means roughly it will be around 7 to 8 marks. Again, 7 to 8 marks. Then these two topics, last two topics, these are the heroes. See, this module B has many heroes. Okay. So MIS, Management Information System. This is a new need of any banking now. Without MIS, no bank can function at all. Okay. Then you have securitization, selling of assets, because you have standard assets which are sold, you have NPA which are sold. So ARC, asset reconstruction companies, all this comes under this. So this will be the next hero, 15 and 16. So how many heroes are over here? Main topics, credit scoring, 7th, then this 10th, debit card, credit card and debit card, remittance products, Bharat Pay will be asked, plus you will be asked on UPI also, UPI. This will also be one of the main questions. AI and technology, and then MIS and securitization. In module B, these are the important topics. Then we come to module C, marketing. Okay, marketing introduction, delivery channels in retail banking, delivery models, customer relationship management, service standards, and marketing information system, MKIS. So which are the heroes over here? Which are the main topics over here? Main topics over here are mainly, I'll tell you, introduction, all this you can study. This is easy type. You can study this, delivery channels, everything is easy. This is tough and this is asked many times. There are 4 models, horizontal model, vertical model, predominantly horizontal, predominantly vertical. So this topic you need to study with full attention. Delivery models, you need to study this because definitely these 4 models are asked. See, it doesn't mean others are not asked. Delivery channels means they are very easy. Okay, delivery channels means they are basically your this internet banking, app banking, alternate channels, branches, DSAs, van banking, all these. But the tougher part is this. If you want to clear in next 75 days, focus on these chapters. Then next you have this chapter, CRM. Definitely. There are numericals attached to this. These are called as CAC numericals, customer acquisition cost, plus BEP related to CAC, plus CRM's own theory, that is also asked. That theory is also very important. So this also, it goes to around 7-8 marks roughly. All these questions which I am telling you will come for around 7 to 10 marks average. Then service standard is not that important. MKIS, this will be definitely there. And there is only one question in MKIS which is asked. This CAC is over here actually, CAC. Okay. This CAC is over here. Okay. So one question will be definitely asked in this, in MKIS. These are the elements of this MKIS. 4 elements are there. Okay. This will be surely asked. Every exam this is asked. Okay. So this is the next hero. So here in this module, which are the heroes? Delivery model, CRM and MKIS. These are the 3 main heroes. Now last module, module D. Everyone is a hero. Everyone, all these 3. In fact 4. All these 4 are the heroes. All are important. This time May 25, the exam was so tough because of these 4 chapters only. You have lot of numericals in wealth management, investment management, tax planning. These 3 you have lot of numericals. Other financial services means these are called as para banking, ancillary banking. So these are also asked, but this is the theory part. But numericals you have a lot in these 23, 24 and 25. So don't forget to read this. Now tax planning, latest tax schedule is asked. Okay, regime is asked. Investment management. Here you are asked the theory on PMS. Plus some numericals on mutual funds, means on investments. Then wealth management, again mainly theory. See, these two are having a lot of theory. This is having a lot of numericals. Wealth management, a lot of theory and very difficult chapter. So these three are very difficult. You have tax planning, numericals over here. So follow this. So these are the heroes. Module D has all the heroes. Plus there is one more, additional reading. This additional reading is also a sort of module only. Lender's appraisal process, housing finance and tax planning, mortgage advice, valuation of real property. You have a lot of numericals on this, numerical over here. You have FSI numerical, FSI. You have rent numerical, rent calculation. You have numerical of rent over here. These are all big numericals. Case studies you can say. Okay? FSI numerical, rent numerical, and in lender's appraisal process, you have how much loan can be sanctioned. Loan sanctioning numerical. Again here. Okay? Loan sanctioning. Loan sanction. This numerical is definitely there. Okay? Housing finance and tax planning and mortgage advice. These are the theory topics. Because nowadays tax planning is almost gone under the new regime. You don't have any benefit of housing. Okay, in the new regime. Almost gone. So that's why numericals will be there in 27th and 30th chapter. Got it? So these are the most important chapters which you need to study. Okay? And before going, let me show you the new Adda 24/7 batch, Elevate batch. Join this batch ASAP. Join this batch ASAP. Okay? This Elevate batch is just now starting. Okay? Just it's in the starting phase. Join it ASAP. See, Elevate batch. Ebooks, mock test, online live classes. Mock tests are to the level of chapter wise as well as full length also. Ebooks, chapter wise. So huge thing it is. Plus, you see, the discount factor. Okay, the discount factor over here is, click on buy now, put the code Y432, Y432, click on enter, look at this, 79% discount plus 1% extra, 80% discount. So 80% discount is a huge amount and just now it is starting. Okay, it's still in the starting phase only. Join it ASAP. In fact, I would suggest you to join Increment Mahapack. JAIIB Increment Mahapack, one of the best Mahapacks. Right now you are getting double validity. You buy for 6 months, you get it for 12 months. You buy for 12 months, you get it for 24 months. Huge it is, isn't it? So, plus discount of 89%, 80% is already there. Okay? Never forget the code Y432. 79 plus 1, 80% discount is already there. Plus double validity. And here you get 15 plus batches per subject. 15 plus per subject. Plus you get this formula bank. You get a study planner because 75 days are remaining. How do you plan for your remaining 75 days? That also you get it over here. Very useful. Okay. So join this in Mahapack immediately. Okay. Because Increment Mahapack will be the Mahapack for your success in a single attempt. So don't miss this and never forget the code Y432. Okay. Bye.